All right, it's a pleasure to welcome you aboard our inaugural Boeing 777-300, brand new from the factory aircraft from the inaugural flight to Brussels today. This is our beautiful new gap motif here in first class. No worries, we're very busy just getting ready for departure. If I may just quickly show you to your suite. Sorry. So this, go after you please, sorry. So again, we're getting ready for departure here. This is your Suite 1 Echo. This is the world's first fully enclosed first-class suite. It's floor to ceiling, walls and doors. So once you're on board, you have ultimate privacy in this new aircraft. You also have virtual windows. This is the world's first, the first airline to have virtual windows. So these images are high definition, projected through cameras located on the fuselage on the outside of the aircraft. So you never miss a view as you go through. You're going to find your large touchscreen TV here, one of the largest in the industry. You also have your personal vanity with our luxury Byretto products, which is an exclusive for Emirates. You also have your luxury journal and pen here as well. We've moved our mini bars here inside, so you have your snacks, gourmet snacks and drinks during the flight. We also have the gap motif that you're going to notice throughout the suite, also here. This is the national tree of the UAE. It's all about customizing your suite on board. So you're going to find here this lighting panel here, which will allow you to control your lights. You have 10 different functions of mood lighting on board in your personal suite, so you can change the color to your preference, to your mood.
Ladies and passengers, very good morning, ma'am. Please have
and you also have temperature control. So no more too cold a cabin, too hot a cabin. You choose the temperature you like. You can change, go up or down the temperature. So it's all about customization. You have a very large closet here for you to put your coats and your winter coats. We also have a nice storage here that has your luxury bedding in it, 300 thread count luxury bedding. Will be here a big fluffy pillow and your duvet. So once you're in the air, we'll be happy to make the bed for you. And that's just a quick walkthrough. We hope you enjoy your flight. I'm sure you're going to find lots of nifty things to keep you busy during our 7 hours to Brussels.